In this second part, we unfold the layers of digital transformation. We decompose digital transformation and look at elements and conditions of successful change. We start with the role of technology in the first section. Technology enables digital transformation. New tools make fresh approaches possible, but in themselves, they will not change how we work. Digital transformation has been made possible by advances in computing and communication. Technology development pushed prices of information processing capacity and communication bandwidth down to a level that IT became pervasive. Complexity of IT systems has also grown. Today, we have computers in our pockets more powerful than server computers a few decades ago. They not only process data, but play high-definition video, track our location, and communicate with other machines over the internet, from our bathroom scale to our car to our bank account. In the office, we have even more computing and communication power. The computing capacity of these tools is impressive. However, this is not the crucial characteristic. The real potential is in the fact that they are all connected. However, devices alone will not lead to change. Folders in the cloud instead of your hard drive will not change the way you work. Employees virtuoso in registering to Facebook events are not yet the cutting edge of your labor force. If you implement new systems only to work faster, you may only build more slack. Digital transformation is about the way we work, not the tools we use. Technical development adds new tools to our toolbox. With a wider selection of tools, we also have more ways to approach the same problem. It is like having more gears on our bike. We can be more efficient by always turning the pedals at our optimal cadence. Some new tools are improved versions of old ones. Others have features and functions we did not have before. Pervasive computing and constant connection to the web are such novelties. Instead of performing our task and handing our output over when completed, we can now collaborate real-time on the same object. This is not only about speed. Transparent, real-time collaboration helps us harmonize individual contribution, reduces redundancy and waste, and helps us share knowledge. It also inspires to find new solutions. To exploit this potential, we need to change the way we work and share information. Technology has the potential, but we need to adapt. The meticulous reconstruction of offline access rights and approval pathways to protect management authority in a cloud-based environment will not transform but paralyze the organization. Technology can only help if we allow it. If we fall back on old default practices, we implement new systems in vain. We need not only change the way we work, we need to be active learners and change agents. Intellectual understanding of the benefits of novel approaches is not enough. For lasting change, we need to be vigilant guardians of our change processes until they become our defaults. As you may see on the figure on the screen, digital transformation is a long process of organizational learning. A precondition is availability of new technology, but the process only starts when people became aware of the new tools. Early adopters will experiment with the new tools, but awareness needs to reach a critical level to start the transformation. This is what I call the inflection point. Discussions start in the organization about ways to exploit the potential of technology more effectively. Fresh ways of work emerge from these discussions and find supporters. As people learn and adapt, the organization transforms. As the new methods engrave, the process completes. Understanding the benefits and true adaptation are key to successful transformation and lasting results. Changes only last if people involved are mindful about the transformation and its benefits. We cannot trick or force people into open ways of collaboration associated with the transformation. Technology is a key component of digital transformation, but it is only an enabling factor. It is a catalyst, not an ingredient. Without technology, there is no transformation, but the change doesn't unfold in the computers. The core of digital transformation is a change in our approach to collaboration. It is a paradigm shift. We discuss this fundamental change in the next section.